Software tools and methodologies are changing every day. No longer, the engineers have to work with the pen and paper blueprints. Architectural, engineering and construction project stakeholders are seeking real-time modeling and 3D visualization. Sharing of files, clash detection and coordination along with energy optimization and facilities management could be easily accomplished using building information modeling. 3D BIM facilitates engineers to visualize processes in greater detail. 3D modeling also provides a platform for engineers to dig inside every corner of the machine, like for instance using high-powered laser cutters to produce sheet metal specifications to the smallest measurements. This precise exploration allows better operational efficiency. Consequently, this leads to minimized errors, wastage, and unnecessary expenses. Accustom yourself to the digitized world of BIM and get better perfection, reduced cost and time, accuracy and more satisfied clients. Call Tejjy Incorporated Design Build BIM service provider in USA at 202-465-4830 or info@tejjy.com.